Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to prepare banana halwa or Kerala halwa, which is very tasty. So for that I have taken 20 bananas or around 1.5 kgs of bananas and grinding it to a fine paste. So if you can't do it in a single batch, you can do it in batches. Grind it to a fine paste. Do not add any water or milk here, just grinding it to a fine paste. Now the paste is ready. We will keep it aside and then dry roast the cashews. Roasting the cashews will not make the cashews very soft when you add to any sweet. To the same kadai we will add ghee 4 to 5 teaspoons and then add the banana paste. So after you add it, you will have to continuously stir for 5 to 10 minutes. So to this paste we will add 2 cups of sugar. Usually jaggery is used to prepare the sweet, but here we are using sugar, which is very tasty and faster and easy to make. Now after that you have added sugar, it leaves some water and make it bit thinner. So you'll have to continuously stir it for 5 to 10 minutes. So the whole process of stirring will take around 20 to 25 minutes. Now after it has reduced to more than half, we will add some ghee, 4 teaspoons of ghee. Now the ghee will start absorbing by the banana paste. The ghee has completely absorbed now. See, the color has also changed, very beautiful color. So now we'll add elaichi or cardamom according to the taste. Here I'm adding half a teaspoon and adding the roasted cashews. So we will mix it. So another 5 to 10 minutes we will just stir it. Now it has started leaving the base and sides. So until it leaves the kadai completely, we will have to stir it. See, it is now foldable like this, completely foldable. It is completely leaving the base and sides. Now you can keep a plate greased with ghee ready. So our halwa is ready, which you can transfer onto a greased plate and uniformly spread it. So if you want, you can put some ghee on top of it for uniform spreading, which will help you in uniform spreading. So now allow it to cool for 30 to 35 minutes and then you can cut it into square pieces. See how nice and beautiful color it is. So we have not added any color here, food color or anything. So we'll cut it into proper square pieces and then serve it. So yes, our halwa is ready, which is very delicious and very soft. So made of sugar. You please try it at home and let me know how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. And for more videos like this, please hit the bell button. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.